Kwintlanganiso yesigqeba esiphezulu se-ANC ngalempelaveki ngumba wamashishini kaRhulumente, Umongameli weli umnumzana Cyril Ramaphosa kunye neqela lakhe le-ANC abalali buhlayo ziingxaki ezimbethe iqumrhu eliphehla umbane kweli u-Eskom.
Mkhulu umdontsiswana enkampanini kagesi u-Eskom. Isimemezelo sikamongameli uRamaphosa sokuthi ngeke kube khona ukucisha kagesi phambi komhla ka-13 kuJanuwari kwamangaza uma sekwenzeka.
Key amongst the issues that will be discussed is what we've already written out. Remember when we issued a statement welcoming the resignation of Dade Jabu Mabuza, we also said that the NEC that will be sitting, including the Lekgotla, would have high on the agenda the issue of SOEs, to also assess if SOEs are indeed delivering on what they are expected to be doing.
Okuyinkomba yokuthi khona uqhekeko omakade babebona bakakhongolose baye baseka ungqongqoshe uGordhan bathi ukuhlasela kwakhe kuyihlozo ukuthunaza umongameli uqobo. Kanti i-ANC yona ithi ukuqoka kambe nokususa kongqongqoshe igunya likamongameli.
Gordhan and stepping down and the calls that are made, who makes the call? And then that is what is important. What our people want is a functioning Eskom, and a functioning Eskom require all the ingredients, leadership, management, and all of that. And those issues have been dealt with. I've got no local standing to judge my colleagues and make a call on them, because you can equally call for me to step down tonight.
Ongoti bathi lobuholi buyasaba ukuthatha izinqumo. Bathi ungqongqoshe uGordhan uhlulekile ukuxazulula izinkinga ezibhekene no-Eskom.
Even with issues such as Eskom, because the president doesn't want to accept perhaps that the person in charge of the state-owned enterprises in the Minister Pravin Gordhan has not done an excellent job, and he needs to review where his challenges have been in the main, especially given that there's been some time for reforms, but there have also been complaints either from board members or resigning executives that there's a sense of interference. How does this interference manifest itself and has compromised governance of these state-owned enterprises? So I think there has to be political responsibility taken.
Isimo somnotho nezwe kuzobhungwa kabanzi esigungwini se-ANC. I-Eskom yona izofakelwa izibuko. Ngusamkelo Maseko ezindabeni ze-SABC eGoli.